What up, guys? It's makeup time.
I love you.
What's up, guys? This is Reuven, Noel's boyfriend, and today I will be commentating on one of Noel's makeup tutorial videos. In this process, in this video, I will be learning about applying makeup and I guess the order and how you apply it and details about it without the voice. So let's get right into it. Alright, first things first, I guess we're gonna take off our glasses and we're gonna prep. We're gonna get our face ready. We're gonna get the canvas ready. Alright, we're gonna apply what looks like some clear liquid to the back of our hand. I guess very important that you put it on the back of your hand. Alright, let's apply it to our eyelids and we're gonna open up our palette. And in our palette, we got some powders. We got some different powders. And we're going to say no to that brush. We're just going to throw it behind us. And we're just going to use our fingers. We're just going to apply. We're just going to dab, scrub it on there, rub it on there. All right, there we go. Back and forth. Got to get that circular action. And I guess we're looking at a mirror right now. I can't tell. Oh, where'd that brush come from? But I guess we're going to use it again. Or I guess we're going to start using it. Let's start rubbing. Let's start applying. There we go. Underneath the eyebrow and above the eyelid. There we go. And we're going to smile and we're going to be proud of it. All right, we're going to apply some Dash. This is a new color, Dash. I don't think I've heard of it. Has anyone else heard of Dash? If you guys have, let me know. All right, let's just keep applying. We're just going to, I guess, mix it. Yeah, we're just going to mix it. And we're just going to smile at our work. There we go. And I think we're going to apply a little bit of a darker color here. Looks like some type of a mahogany. I don't think I really got the chance to see it, but it's looking good. And I think we're going to have to mix this now. Yep, we're just going to keep mixing, just like before. I guess when you apply makeup, it's very important that you mix throughout the whole process and you blend. I think I knew blending was an important part, but I didn't know how important it was. Wow. I guess we're going for, it looks like a gradient effect here, where we're going to go from a light contrast to a darker contrast. And it's still very important that you mix, but we're going to apply the actual colors around where they're supposed to go, and then we're going to blend them. And we're just going to keep doing that. What looks like around the whole eye, I think. Yep, there we go. All right, we're going back to the brush as before, as always, never changing. Brush, brush, brush. All right, there we go. This time we're going to brush our cheeks back and forth. And more Dash. Would you look at that? We really like the color Dash, I guess. And we're just going to apply it. Just gonna apply it, being careful not to get it into our eyes, hopefully, because that would be really painful. Ha ha ha. Please don't get it in your eye, please. Just keep brushing it on, And did we make a mistake? Oh, what happened? Did you get it in your eye? Please, oh no. Please, no. Alright, I hope you're okay. Please be okay. Alright, we're just gonna apply some flour from the kitchen. Somehow we just got it. We just slapped it right on our little palette there, and we're just going to keep brushing it in. There we go. And we're just going to blend it in now. Rub your eyebrows with it. Not the finger this time. We're going to use the brush. Alright, now we got ourselves a little pen here. We're going to get ready to put this on, and we're going to draw some, what looks like some curves. Alright, let's keep going. And we're drawing, and oh, no, that's eyeliner. That's eyeliner. Alright, let's just keep going with that. Let's just draw and not get it on our eyes, hopefully. And I guess if you guys mess up, you guys can use a paper towel. And keep going. Ooh, wing it. Life eyeliner. Alright. Alright, what's this device here? Oh my gosh, what is that? That looks painful. Jeez. Alright, well, we're going to clamp our eyelids shut, I guess. And we're going to apply some of this pink stuff. Oh, no. Correct me if I'm wrong. Is that mascara, I think? I think. Whatever it is, we're going to comb our eyelashes. We're going to comb in the different directions. And we're going to make that one makeup face where you curl your lips in. And we're going to mess up. All right. Well, we're going to fix that. Okay, let's keep going. Well, we're going to put our finger on our face. And then we're just going to smear some of this stuff on. And apply some of it on our cheeks, I guess. Get some more paint going there. And we're just going to mix it in. Oh, dang. Got a little bit of a rosy effect there. Okay, okay. Looks like we're blushing a little bit. Okay. And what happened to the rosy stuff? Why did we change that? Is this supposed to be some type of a lighting effect? Is this supposed to help certain spots get lighter, I guess? All right, well, whatever it is, we're going to smear it in. There we go. All right, are we done? I think we're done. Oh, one more thing. All right. Something else. It looks like it had no effect, but you know what? It changed something. All right, there we go. Looking pretty as ever. Oh, dang. Okay. All right, well, this isn't makeup, but I guess we're going to put some hoops in. Big hoop energy. There we go. Complete process, and we are proud. Are we not done? Oh, I guess we're not done. I guess we're just gonna keep going. If there's anything you guys learned about makeup, I guess it's brushing. You guys need your brushes. Oh, what are we doing? Oh, all right, guys. This has been a very fun video. I hope you guys all liked it and enjoyed learning about the applying makeup, and bye.
Hey guys, it's Noelle. Ruben did such an amazing job on that voiceover. Let's give him props. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.